Crypto 2025 Guide. Must-know tips for beginners and experts. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate Crypto 2025 Guide, designed for both beginners stepping into the crypto world and experts looking to sharpen their strategies. Whether you're just getting started or you've been trading for years, this guide is packed with valuable insights to help you thrive in the evolving crypto market. Why you need a guide for crypto in 2025. The cryptocurrency landscape is changing rapidly, with new technologies, regulations, and trends shaping the market. Staying ahead means staying informed. This video will cover essential topics like market trends, risk management, blockchain innovations, and how to spot profitable opportunities. Key topics covered in this guide. Understanding blockchain basics. For beginners, we'll explain blockchain fundamentals in simple terms. Knowing how blockchain works is essential to understanding the value of cryptocurrencies. Decoding crypto trends for 2025. Learn about the biggest trends shaping the market in 2025, including the rise of DeFi, decentralized finance, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and the impact of institutional investments. Smart investment strategies. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, having a solid investment plan is crucial. We'll share strategies to manage risk, diversify your portfolio, and identify promising assets. Advanced tips for experts. For experienced investors, we'll dive into advanced trading techniques, staking and farming for passive income, and analyzing on-chain data for smarter decisions. As the crypto market grows, so does the importance of understanding regulations and protecting your investments. Learn how to stay compliant and secure your assets. Start trading with confidence. Ready to put your knowledge into action? We highly recommend opening an account with the most reliable and trusted Forex platform to enhance your trading experience. You'll find the link to open your account in the video description and pinned comment below. Take the first step towards smarter trading today. If you found this guide helpful, please checkmark like this video to let us know you enjoyed it. Checkmark share it with your friends who are interested in crypto. Checkmark subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or tips to share? Leave them in the comments section below, and we'll do our best to respond. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay informed, trade smart, and make 2025 your most profitable year yet. Rock it!
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.